Hi, I'm Suresh and I met Mr. Ilangovan to do the SSM, Subconscious Carrying Mind, and my life has changed tremendously. I have fine-tuned all the techniques that I have learned for so long, which now I have fine-tuned, and I believe that in life, at the darkest point of your life, you will find the light. To find this light, I'm actually very grateful to my parents, my mother, my late father, and also to Valalar Sittar and all the saints and sages and teachers and gurus, all the good energies and the universe that have actually brought me to this level. I'm very grateful. Now I know what I want in my life. I know what to do exactly to achieve it. And you can do too as well. Do subconscious scanning mind. It is really absolutely great, man. I'm enjoying my tea. How about you?
Hi, yes, Suresh, you are a great person by being great electrical lecturer in a university. By seeing your activity profiles and performance, you did very well. And these sharings made me to get info and sharing essence at the same time. I have shared my experience and knowledge on scan subconscious mind. I've seen your greatest fortune living life experience, which is your birthright and successful achievement of your professions, health, relationships, wealth, and everything as a universe gift for you. Thank you very much, Suresh.